Wasting money sucks. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can make $10,000 every single month trading Forex, crypto, or stocks, and give you a win rate of 70 to 80% when you're trading on any time frame. So if you want to watch this video and you want to learn exactly how to do that, hit that like button and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so for this strategy right here, we're gonna need two indicators on our charts. We're gonna want the Elite Algo indicator and the Elite Oscillator Pro. Now these indicators are private indicators, so you have to request access, but I'll show you guys at the end of the video exactly how you guys can get access to these indicators so you can start using them right away. So first, let me show you the strategy, and then I'll show you guys exactly how you can get the indicators for yourself. Okay, so first, let's go over the settings for these indicators that you wanna apply on your charts. So over here under the Elite Algo indicator, we're gonna hover over the settings area and bring up the settings for Elite Algo. Now, unlike other strategies, for this specific strategy, we're not going to be using the buy and sell signals that Elite Algo gives you. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have these same settings that I have on my charts. So under where it says signal mode, we're going to have none selected. This is going to remove the buy and sell signals from our charts so we no longer get distracted by them for this specific strategy. Next, guys, we want to go over here and we want to turn on the Echo Cloud and the Trend Sniper line. These lines are going to help you get confirmations for your entries later on in the strategy. And then we want to turn on our dashboard. We also want to turn on the order blocks right here, and we want to set the value to 4 under these order blocks. Next, we're going to press OK, and now we have Elite Algo configured. Next, guys, we want to go ahead and go to the Elite Oscillator Pro, and we're going to make sure that this is under the default settings for this strategy. So we don't want to change any settings for the Elite Oscillator Pro for this strategy right here. And then one last thing that we want to do for this strategy right here is we're gonna go anywhere on TradingView. We're gonna right click and go to settings, and we are gonna make sure that borders is unchecked. Why do we want to do this? It's because we are actually gonna be using the candle coloring system as our entries for this strategy. So we're gonna make sure this is unchecked, and we're gonna press OK. Okay, so how does this strategy work? Let me show you guys right here. So the first thing we want to look at is we want to look at the Echo Cloud. We want to make sure that it is green if we're looking to take a long position in the market. So for right now, we see that we have a green Echo Cloud. Next, guys, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and wait for a green candle to print on our charts. Now remember that Elite Algo changes the colors of the candles to make it so it matches the momentum of the market. So right now we can see that over here we were a little bit bearish until we got a green candle, then the price started shooting up, and then we got a red candle right over here, as you guys can see. So right now we want to wait until the algo gives us a green candle. So if we press play here, we can see that it's going to give us a green candle right there. This is our entry candle. This is where we want to enter the trade. Next, guys, we also want to make sure that the Trend Sniper line is also green at the moment of this candle turning green, which it is. So this could be our entry right here. We're gonna go ahead and take our long position size tool. We're gonna set it at the top of the candle. At the close of that green candle is where we want to trade. Now for the stop loss, we want to use the last swing low or the last order block that we have on our charts. So right now it would be right here, which is the last swing low and the order block. So this gives us a really good stop loss for us to use for our trades. And then for the take profit, we have two different things that we can choose. We can choose the next order block, which would be in the middle of the order block. So something like this at a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Or we can get out when the Trend Sniper line turns red. Let me show you guys exactly how that works. So over here, we're going to press play on this trade. We can see that the candles are green, 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 and we're still going up right now. So this would have been hitting our take profit. And we can see that we're not going to get out into the trade until we get our red Trend Sniper line, which happens right around here, guys. So this would have been the exit on this trade. And as we can see, this would give us a really good risk reward ratio of about 3.7 on this trade. Now, one thing I also want you guys to understand is why we're using the Elite Oscillator Pro down here. So the Elite Oscillator Pro shows us that we're in a momentum market when we are in a green zone right over here. And as soon as that green zone disappears, we are going to be turning into a bearish market. So right now, we want to make sure that we've already been exited by this point over here, if that makes sense to you. Let me show you guys more examples so you can understand the strategy fully. So here is another example on British pound US dollar over here. We can see right now on our charts, we have a green Echo Cloud. This is the first confirmation that we want to look for again, guys. Next, guys, we simply just want to wait until we get a green candle over here. We're going to go ahead and wait until we get that. Now we finally have a green candle. So this would be our trigger candle. And we want to make sure that at the time of this green candle, we also have a green trend sniper line, which if we zoom in, we can see that we have that as well right over here. Next guys, again, what we want to do here is very simple. We want to take our position size tool. We're going to set it at the close of that green candle. So somewhere in this area. Our stop loss will be our swing low. So this is our swing low or our order block, right? It makes very easy sense here. And we want to target either, again, the order blocks like this one right here, or even this one right here. But this one's a little bit high, but we still might hit it because we're going to be in a trending market over here in just a second. So as we can see guys, now we have all our confirmation to take this trade. We can even see that right now on the Elite Oscillator Pro, we are in a bullish market because it is in the green area. And our dashboard is also primarily green over here. So we run this trade, and again, we can see that the price is gonna go up, and we're doing really good right now with this trade. It's gonna hit our take profit right about here. And we're not exiting the trade until we get a red line on our trend sniper line, which happened right about over here, guys. So this trade would have given us a really good risk reward ratio of 3.75 again on our trade here. This is how simple this strategy is if you want to use it, and if you don't want to use the buy and sell signals when you're trading. Let me show you another example, this time doing a short in the market. So over here guys, we can see that we have a red echo cloud. This is what we're looking for if we're looking to take sell positions in the market. Next guys, we can also see on the Oscillator Pro down here, we are in a very bearish market because currently it is red. And all we want to do now is simply just wait until we get a red candle. So we can see that we're going to get a red candle eventually right there. This is our red candle right here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take our short position size tool. We're going to place it at the close of that candle. Our stop loss will be behind the last swing high this time because we're taking a short. So right above this area. And next what we're going to do is we're going to target an order block. Since we don't have any here, we can just simply exit the trade when the trend sniper line turns green in this scenario. So let's see when it turns green over here. We're gonna go ahead and take that trade. The price doesn't go into our profit zone right there. As we can see, we already have really good profit in this trade. It turns green right there. This would have been our execute for this. And again, we get a 3.37 risk reward ratio on this trade. That would have been a nice winner. Now that we understand this strategy, I'm gonna show you guys another tip that will help you tremendously in your trades with any strategy that you're using when you're trading Forex specifically. If you're trading crypto, this, don't worry about it right now. But if you're trading Forex, this next tip is gonna help you tremendously in the market when you're trading. So the next thing we want to do guys is we want to go to this website right here, my FX book, and we are going to go over to the economic calendar. As we see right there, it's going to bring us to this page over here. And what we want to do on this page is simply just look at the impact news on what's happening in the Forex market. And we simply just want to avoid trading any pairs that have a high impact. So for example, on September 3rd at 9:30, we have a high impact on the Canadian dollar, which means that we do not want to trade anything with the Canadian dollar because we are going to be subject to a lot of volume and volatility based on news and not technical analysis, which is what we're using in order to take our entries in the market. So that's all we gotta do guys. We simply just don't want to trade when there is a high price impact in the market on whatever you're looking to trade. And that's pretty much it for the strategy. Now, if you guys don't have access to Elite ALGO, as promised, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can get access to it right now. Okay, so to get access to Elite ALGO, as promised earlier in the video, and Elite Oscillator Pro are two proprietary invite-only indicators. You simply just want to go on our website right here, elitesignals.com, and simply sign up for the membership here. Not only are you going to get access to our two indicators, you're also going to get access to our Discord server right over here, where we have over 55,000 members in it, all trading Forex, crypto, stocks, options, and you name it. And we also have over 20 different pro analysts giving you guys signals for Forex, stocks, gold, and options, and crypto. As you can see right over here guys, this is one of our Forex analysts, Cesar. He gave us a signal to trade NZD CAD just a couple days ago, and we can see that it hit over 100 pips in profit on this trade. And this guy has an 80 to 85% win rate on his trades. We also have signals for crypto again and stock options, not only Forex. So if you guys want to join that, all you gotta do is simply just sign up on our website. You're gonna get access to the Discord server with 55,000 members and access to our 2 proprietary indicators, Elite Algo and Elite Austria Pro. And one last thing you're gonna get access to is actually our own TradingView charting platform, completely free. When you sign up for Elite Algo as well, you're gonna get access to this, so you don't actually have to go and use TradingView if you don't want to, or if TradingView itself is too expensive with its premium memberships every single month or year. So this will be completely free as well when you sign up for Elite Algo. This is our own charting platform called ChartLabs. You guys can go check it out right now at chartlabs.co. You can go ahead and check it out and use it right now if you like. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching and have yourselves a good day. And also, before we leave, if you have any comments you want to ask or any questions that you want to ask, just leave them down in the comments down below and I'll answer every single one that comes by. Thank you.